Hello everyone, Steve Messri here. I want to share something new with you which is really exciting for our company, and that is we have now come up with what is called a perfect panel similar to our perfect swag. A lot of you in the past have always asked me, Steve, I'm having a little bit of difficulty trying to dress my drapes, and this is kind of what we used to do before, and put it over the holdbacks, and it wasn't quite laying perfectly for a lot of you. So I have come up with a new idea, which it's really simple. And what it is that there's a string on the back of the drapes now, and it comes with an orbit. So all you have to do is just simply pull the orbit and keep pulling on it till you will see the belly starts to form. And there it is. You can see it already starting to form, and all I do is then take it from right here and rest it over my holdback. By doing this, it allows me to go ahead and have this be perfectly done, no issues whatsoever. All I do is simply go ahead and dress it up by using my hand a little bit. Now, I still have the extra cord in the back. I don't want to cut this because I know I'm going to come around needing to clean these drapes later on, so I want to make sure we keep it. So all I do is just simply wrap it around my finger and put a little bit of, sort of make a bow out of it. And I just like to keep that for in the future if I need to go in and unravel the drapes and send them out to get them clean. That would be something that I will need. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it here, and then I'm going to have it just hang on the back of the drapes. It's not going to bother me. And so there it is. It looks really beautiful. It is done very simple. And this is our new introduction to our perfect panel. Please be sure that you go ahead and subscribe below. We have a lot of wonderful tips for you to go and take advantage of. And thank you for watching.